on Donald Trump with Bill Clinton is turning the tables on Donald Trump with regards to the release of the Epstein files. While Donald Trump and MAGA are trying to make this all about former President Bill Clinton has officially demanded full transparency from the Trump DOJ on the Epstein files. Clinton's spokesperson says that the Department of Justice's selective release suggests that someone is being protected. Quote, "We need no such protection," he writes. He calls on Donald Trump to direct Attorney General Pam. We need no such protection, he writes. He calls on Donald Trump to direct Attorney General Pam Bondi to immediately release all of the remaining materials referencing Clinton, including grand jury records and photos. Now, you will also recall that in the Epstein emails that were released by the House Oversight Committee, the Democrats were able to get their hands on 18,000 plus emails from the Epstein estate, which the Trump regime was covering up. If you go back to an email, produce the records that, by the way, Clinton and Reid Hoffman are saying you should be producing. And this is their whole scheme. It's pretty obvious, right? I mean, you had James Comer earlier in the day saying that, actually, the person, this was actually a little bit ago, and I'll show you the one he did today. First, I'll show you this one, where he goes, the evidence we've gathered doesn't implicate Trump, it implicates Clinton. You see what they do here? This is Russia, Soviet-style propaganda tactics. Here, play this clip. Let's be clear. Democrats don't care about transparency or accountability in this matter. The evidence we've gathered does not implicate President Trump in any way. Public reporting, survivor testimony, and official documents show that Bill Clinton had far closer ties to Epstein. We're working to bring former President Clinton in for a deposition, but the Democrats aren't helping one bit. You would think. Since we've already brought two former Trump cabinet secretaries in, they would be willing to bring in a Democrat who's had publicly a far closer relationship with especially Maxwell and Epstein. So why is that? That's a question every reporter should be asking Ranking Member Garcia and every Democrat on the committee. Why are you helping to bring Bill Clinton in for an interview and deposition just like we brought in Bart Acosta? And here's what Donald Trump said when he was asked in late November, do you want to see the Epstein bill pass? And he goes, we have nothing to do with Epstein. It's Clinton that does. Here, play this clip. It must have Truth Social last night. You urged House Republicans to vote in favor of this Epstein release bill. They're going to vote on him tomorrow. I just want to be super clear on your position. Do you want to see that pass the Senate? Would you sign that bill if it gets to your desk? I do want to. Here's what I want. We have nothing to do with Epstein. The Democrats did. All of his friends were Democrats. You look at this Reid Hoffman, you look at Larry Summers, Bill Clinton. They went to his island all the time. I had many of this. They're all Democrats. All I want for people to recognize the great job that I've done on pricing or on affordability, because we brought prices way down, but they go way lower. And here you have.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are talking about a very serious and controversial topic from the United States. Former President Bill Clinton has openly challenged Donald Trump over the Jeffrey Epstein file. This issue has shocked many Americans and created strong political debates. People are asking one big question: why are the Epstein files still not fully released? And now Bill Clinton is calling Trump brief and demanding transparency. Let's understand everything step by step in easy. Who was Jeffrey Epstein? Jeffrey Epstein was a rich businessman in the United States. He was arrested from serious crimes involving young girls. Epstein had powerful friends in politicians, businesses, and media. Many famous names were linked to him. In 2019, Epstein died in jail under suspicious criticism systems. Officially, his death was called a suicide. But many Americans still do not believe this story. Why are Epstein file important? The Epstein file contained court documents, fight records, emails, names of powerful peoples, uh, testi- testimonies for wisdom. These files may show who helped Epstein, who protected him, and who know about his crimes. People believe the truth is being hidden. That is why Americans want full transparency. Donald Trump and Epstein issue. Donald Trump has asked many times about drinking the swamp, dining the swamp. He promised to expose corruptions and Washington. Donald Trump supporters believed he would release all Epstein files, but during Trump's time in politicians, May files were not released. Some documents were made public, but most were redacted, meanings blocked out. This media people angry. Bill Bill Clinton enters the debates. Now, former President Bill Clinton have spoken openly. He say if Trump is serious about transparency, then release all Epstein file. Clinton's teams say Trump is playing politics. They accuse Trump of pretending to supporting transparency while blocking the truth. This is what media calling Trump brave. What does calling the brief means? Calling someone's bluff means challenging their crimes, asking some of prove what they say, exposing fake promise. Bill Clinton's is basically saying Trump talk big, but he is not showing real actions. Political tensions in the USA. This show his increased tensions between Democrats, Republicans. Both sides are blaming each other. Democrats saying Republicans are hidden names. Republicans say Democrats are afraid of the truth. But common Americans just want answer. Epstein and powerful people. Jeffrey Epstein had connections with politicians, billionaires, celebrities, foreign leaders. His private jet was called the Lolita Express. Many famous peoples flew on it. Uh, but flyings do not always mean crimes. Still, people want full details why people don't trust the system. Many Americans feel rich people special punishments, special punishments. Poor people face harsh justice. Powerful names are protected. Epstein death made things worse. Security crimes failed. Guards were asleep, no clear answers. They destroyed public trust. Media coverage of public reactions. Major US media channels are covering this issue daily. Social media is full of debates. Hashtag like reactions, Epstein file, Epstein truth, transparency now, and trending are trending. People from our political sides agree on one thing: the truth must come out. Clinton's past and controversy. Bill Clinton himself faced questions in the past. His name appears in Epstein release discussions. Clinton has denied any wrongdoing. He say he want all files released even if his name appears. This blood statements this bold statement shocked many people. Spotters say this proves confidence. Cities say it is political move. Trump response. So far, Trump has not directly responded in detail. His allies say the files are being reviewed. Legal issues are involved. National security matters, but critics say this is just delay. People are trying to excuse what experts are saying. Legal experts say files can be released legally, names can be verified, victims can be protected. They believe a partials released believe partial release is unnecessary. Transparency can be done safely. Why this matter to America? This is not just politicians. This is about justice victims. Trust in democracy. If powerful people abstain, society becomes weak. Americans' image as a fair nation is at risk. Public pressure is growing. More Americans are demanding answer and being signed. Protests are happening. Lawmakers feel pressures from voters. This issue may impact upcoming elections. Could the truth ever come out? Many believe the truth will come slowly. Leaks many happens. Courts orders may force release. History show security never say hidden forever. Conclusion: the summary: Jeffrey Epstein was involved in serious crime. His connections raise many questions. Epstein files are not fully released. Donald Trump promised transparency. Bill Clinton has no challenged Trump's openly. Americans want truth, not politics. This story is far from over. The Epstein files may change Americans politicians forever. Final words. Thank you for watching my video. If you believe in transparency and justice, please like, share and subscribe channel.